The surf trip ended with the boys trying to do some kite surfing in unreliable winds and a bit of fun on Minicat, including taking Tom for a spin from the neighboring boat.
Welcome. We're Kevin and Janine, a Canadian couple who have escaped the rat race and are continuing our dream of slow travel around the world. Subscribe and follow along this season as we cruise Southeast Asia aboard a McConaughey 55 catamaran. Sailed for 2 hours. Yeah, there's a line. Where's the line?
Open everything, she removes, and she puts the water on the side.
Okay.
And after they want to scratch.
Nouveau? Yeah.
Yeah.
Sport.
Something like ginger called what?
Galangal.
Galangal. Yeah.
Have jahe,
Ginger,
ginger,
Mm-hmm.
apa tadi nih?
Lemongrass.
lemongrass,
Garlic, onion.
And onion, the
I'm gonna
shallots.
make some notes.
and shallot,
Apa tuh
not
salah?
onion,
Shallot?
Red onion shallots, yeah.
red onion.
Yeah, the small one.
This,
Ah,
Oh, yeah.
Shallot.
not onion, huh?
Shallots.
It's not so spicy.
It's not spicy.
This is not spicy. This is spicy but sweet.
They saw those.
Right.
This is called shabirawit.
Okay.
Yes, the
This
small
one,
ones.
it's spicy but sour.
Spicy and sour.
So with Sumatra, Lombok,
Yeah.
I prefer this one.
In the
Sumatra,
yeah.
I prefer this one.
Okay.
Because this one is more sweet
In the Rendang.
in the Rendang.
Okay.
Ita masak rendang dengan ini ya, ini tidak. She don't like this one.
So only that one.
Putting this one in the Rendang.
Yeah, because it's
Yeah.
spicy but sweet.
That's not as good as the next day.
Not as much flavor.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a pot au feu, French pot au feu. You cook bœuf bourguignon. You cook two
Yeah.
times. The second time is better than the first time.
Right.
It's why the taste can change a little.
Yeah.
At the
Okay.
beginning, you will see it's more orange.
Orange.
But at the end, if you're in Sumatra,
Red.
and sometimes black.
Black, yeah.
Black
It's
and
been
totally dry.
Yeah.
Not so many oil like this.
Right.
It came back. Because
Interesting.
it's more cooked.
Alain went on to tell us that the secret to a really flavorful beef rendang, or any rendang paste, is the amount of time you cook it. So in this case, I think that batch, he said it was only 1 day, versus often you'll have a batch that lasts for a week. And the really, really flavorful ones, they cook the meat directly in it so that you get all those extra juices and flavors mixing in. The one he makes at this restaurant has no meat in it. So they make the paste and then they can add it to anything. It could be fish, chicken, whatever you like, even vegetables. At Alain's restaurant, they make their own coconut milk. They use old coconuts because there's more oil in them than the young ones. They separate the water from the coconut meat and then grind the meat to a pulp. Then they mix the pulp with the coconut water and filter it through a cheesecloth.
If you put the root in. Yeah. Olive wood.
We try to use maximum.
Next, they blend the spice mix together, adding the coconut milk to it until it's a uniform mix. And then it goes back into the...
So you gotta have more solid. Too solid to one.
Finally, they put it on the stove to reduce for an hour. They keep it out of the fridge and cook it every day, over and over, to increase the flavor.
It's very cool, right?
Very cool. Shrimp rendang, delicious. Today is August 17th, Indonesian Independence Day, and we've been invited to a celebration. So we're going to the beach to see some of the games. So this is the bucket fill challenge with their hands.
Dan pada kamera, serap doang aja. Oke, we're gonna end the game in 2 minutes, 4 minutes ya.
Oh, she's pretty good.
Gili Asahan.
Oh, Gili Asahan. Nice there. Go have that in the beach, in front of the beach.
This is my bag of things that I.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, wow. Cheers. Okay. Selong Selo Hotel. Welcome. Whoa.
Okay.
Not too shabby, is it, Kevin?
No. Comfy. Good view.
Pretty good view.
This is a video.
Yeah. Hi.
Hi. While here at this beginner surfing location, as serious beginners, we decided to try our legs again and rented a board for a couple of hours. Perfect. This little beach break was busy, as always.
Oh, you guys go ahead. I'm gonna watch for a little bit. Okay, try it again. Thank you.
think we were a bit less successful catching the little waves this time around, but it was still fun to be in the water.
So we just got back from a day of surfing and one of our doors was left open. I don't know how that happened. That one was open, but monkeys got in through the open door. And they had a bit of a feast on our eggs and our granola. They had a look through. We had a little bit of garbage, not much, which is good, but like sad monkeys, evil monkeys. One of the culprits.
I see you.
Cheeky monkeys. So since hiking Mount Rinjani, I lost my big toenail on this toe. And today, this one is coming off. Oh, I just hooked it and it's half off. And it's going to fall out. And we're having dessert!
Life is hard. Here's your ice cream sundae.
Thank you. Whoa. And fried banana. Okay, back to Star Trek. Our time at the resort is done. We're heading back to Saoirse today. Woo. It's breezy. Here we go. That's Marina Del Rey. We're gonna come on the outside and then probably head up in this direction. And then start cutting the north side of Bali up and across over to Belitung. Oh, my camera work was shoddy. Water buffalo crossing.